Everyone, it's Danyael, it's Luriz, and we're going to show you how to use these tools.
This is shovel. A shovel is a spoon-like farming tool which is usually used in digging, especially canals. And now I'm going to show you how to use this.
This is a hoe. A hoe is a hand tool that is used to shake soil, clear soil, remove weeds, and harvest food crops. Now I'm going to show you how to use this.
This is a sprinkler. It is used easily to water plants as it can evenly pour water into the soil. And now, I'm going to show you how to use this. Remember, do not use when not accompanied by adults or parents.
That's it for today's video.
Hope you learned something new from us. Goodbye!